Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to easily enter the Kraken room in the game Fish. This process involves solving a series of clock puzzles within the Atlantis region. We will cover the specific symbols needed for each of the 5 clocks, guiding you through the steps to unlock this exciting area. Get ready to explore the Kraken pool and discover its secrets. To begin, navigate to the Zeus trial area. Here, you will find a large clock wheel. Carefully adjust the hand to point directly at the purple moon symbol, then confirm your selection. Next, proceed to the ethereal abyss. Locate its clock and set the hand to the orange helmet symbol. Confirm this setting to complete the first 2 essential steps. Continuing your journey, head to Poseidon's temple. Find the clock there and set its hand to the black scythe symbol. After confirming, move on to the sunken depths. This area also has a clock. Set its hand to the blue harp symbol. Remember, some of these puzzles might involve a 2-player mechanic, so be prepared to coordinate if needed. Finally, you will reach the entrance to the Kraken pool itself. Here, one last clock awaits your attention. For this crucial final step, set the clock hand to the red spear symbol. Once you confirm this selection, the Kraken room will officially unlock, granting you full access to the Kraken pool and all the unique items it holds. Congratulations!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.